Sup y'all, this is Larry G and today we're going to unbox this Forneza pizza oven 16-inch that I received a couple of weeks ago. Didn't have a chance to. Got a couple of accessories for it which is going to go into there, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to a gas bottle. So sorry about the noise, let's get into that box. Let's take a look in the box. Voila! There's another box inside the box. And that's the beauty. So what do we have here? Forneza. Just slide over the box. Bake what you like. More than pizza oven. It says ready in 20 minutes. Up to 500C. Gas powered portable. I suppose we can take it out. There's a famous Italian or Lithuanian chef. You're a pizza chef now. And apparently we have inside some accessories, which is a pizza cover and we have a pizza peel. So let's get into this main box. It's a very nice box, so if anyone's into boxes you can actually keep the boxes. Looks very nice design of the box, well done. So, and inside we have more boxes obviously. So that's the first one, the pizza peel that comes in together. We'll have a look into this one. Right, pizza stone. Let's remove the pizza stone out of it. Not very heavy. So we have this, not sure what that is, but we'll have a look into the manual. We've got the manual. Who does need a manual? Do you need a manual? I will. We've got the cover itself, and then that's what I found. This we're done like this, and there's a pizza oven itself upside down. Okay. Is it heavy? Not very heavy. Not very heavy. So are we saving this box? No. Cheers. Right, let's take a look at this actual pizza oven. Guessing we need to stand up. Oh, let's do that way. So to do that, you need to unfold the legs, which is nice and easy. Like that. And just like that, we have our pizza oven there. Nice and light. So before we do a full assembly, we're going to have a look around. Nice slick design, gas controls, gas connection. It's a Forneza. Inside you've got some L-shape gas heating brackets. That's where the pizza stone's going to sit. To be honest, I have to say the design of this is very beautiful. It will match my table without this rubbish. So yeah, as mentioned earlier, you get a pizza oven cover inside. Not a pizza cover, it's a pizza oven cover. So if you keep it outside, it goes somehow. No idea. There's a little clips. guessing something like that. So the back to the front, is it like that? Probably not. We'll try this later. So the other accessory you'll get inside is this pizza peel. Nice, easy, nice free accessory. You can't get too deep with that. So it is what it is. So as we look at the back of the pizza oven, you get a connection for the hose. So my recommendation would be a 2-meter hose. It's not a lot. In the UK it's about £4.50 a metre, so it's about £9 there. You've got a gas converter for the propane, 37 M bar, so that's what you would want to get for this pizza oven. A couple of Jubilee clips. I've got these items from Go Outdoors and it costed me about £19. Doesn't cost arm and a leg. So let's go into whatever that is. I have no idea, but I'm sure we're going to find it in the manual. Right, so let's jump into the connections. A quick guide, nothing major. Right, let's get into the connections. So you're going to need a Jubilee clip, your hose, put the Jubilee clip on, slide it on. Make sure you slide it all the way up. So as you've got your hose on, your Jubilee clip on, you can use a flat screwdriver, but I'm using 7mm head. Tighten it up. So that's one Jubilee clip on. I was struggling to get the hose all the way on, so what I did, got myself a little bit of hot water, put the end of the hose for a minute, keep it down there, take it out, and you can slide it on easier. Because we're going to do the next step. So the next step will be, make sure that you've got a Jubilee clip on, just like that, otherwise you have to take the hose off if you forget. Slide it on the gas converter. There we go, that's on. Same again, tighten it, and you're almost good to go. That's it, it's tight. I'm using a gas converter 37 bar, which is a top mounting bottle. Goes on, comes off, easy as that. So now, as you've got your gas hose connected, all safe, time to install the pizza stone. So the pizza stone comes in this box. Out. Look at the size of these pizza stones, 16 inch. So we have there. So we've got taper ends, which will go in just like that. Nice and low. Goes in like that. That's it. We've got a pizza stone inside. Looks nice, new and shiny. What's next? Let's take a look at some of the accessories. So the accessory that you get with the pizza oven is this very simple pizza peel, but as I said earlier, I've got a better version of this. So let's put that inside. So the main pizza peel I've got with that, this lovely pizza peel. Look at that. It's a nice aluminium. Looks very solid, and there you go. So the second accessory you probably want to get with it is a pizza peel, smaller size. It's very nice, very good for turning the pizza around. So we'll show that in the next videos when we do the cook. So the third accessory we've got ourselves today is the cleaning scraping tool. Just a nice long handle. You can get inside brushes, just like that. That's it. Yeah. So one of the necessary accessories for this pizza oven is a thermometer, infrared thermometer, same make, just like this. Comes with a AA batteries, so we're going to set that up later just to test it out. And this is not very necessary, but I've got it myself, which is cast iron frying pan that comes like this, disassembled handle, that, and you can grill some steaks, whatever you want to grill on that, inside the pizza oven. So yeah, we'll do the trial cooks later on the next videos. It comes 2 AA batteries. Put it in, close it, and so you just press it, and it shows the temperature, surface temperature. Not sure if you can see it. So my hand temperature at the moment is 29 and rising, 30. So yeah, because that doesn't come with the thermometer as mentioned earlier. So let's go into the connecting the gas bottle and see how it turns. Oh, one more thing. Earlier I didn't know what that was. Apparently that is just in case your ignition doesn't work. You can light up, putting the match inside this, and basically putting the match inside the oven to get the gas lit up. So what I want to do now is just try to see how that cover works. I'm guessing we'll go front somehow this way. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe just give up. And just like that. This cover actually works more like a carry case, but yeah, cover for me, I'm undercover, I don't need it, but it's a good item. So now the question is, what size gas bottle? I've gone for 13 kg, which is pretty big. I'll show you in a minute. There you go. I've got propane, 13 kg gas bottle. To be honest, if you're not that strong, you might consider getting 6 kg. Is it 5 kg? So let's do that. Let's get this connected. Take the plastic off. Turn it on. And she's on. So let's talk about the switch. So push, down, it's on. Simple as that. So to turn it off, just simply go up. That's it, it's turned off. This is beautiful. What to do now is see how quickly it goes up to temperature that you want to cook pizza on it. So I'm going to leave it on. I'm going to burn it in as well because it's a brand new product. So let's see. I'm going to give it 20 minutes. So there you go. We're literally just testing. So I've been running for 2 minutes. So let's have a look. So inside, in the middle, where are we? We are 178 degrees after 2 minutes. On the sides, where are we? We're 130. Closer to the fire. There. So as you can see, the gas is like an L shape, slightly U shape, or an L shape. So yeah, burning in. we come back in a few minutes. After 12 minutes of running, checked inside, she's running over 300 Celsius inside, which is, to me, this is ready to cook some pizza. So at the moment I'm only doing the burning. The flame's burning very nice. The surface, it gets hot, so let's have a look at the surface. So the surface in the middle is 128-26 degrees, by the edge 230 plus. At the back we've got around 100 degrees. The sides you've got 90 degrees. So yeah, be careful with the edges, do not touch when you're cooking, and that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video about this lovely pizza oven. We're going to try to do some cooks later on. I'm just doing a burning and unboxing video, so I will leave some links in the bottom where to get that in UK, which is available at Commando Kings. Yeah, that's about it. So tell me what you think about this new pizza oven from Forneza, made by Commando Bonner. So yeah, to me that looks very new design. They do add a couple different sizes, well, different size than this, which is a 12-inch, and they do a different style completely, which is I don't think is available in UK at the moment. So yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe, like the video if you want. If not, leave some comments, and leave some comments if you want to come back to me and see me using this pizza oven for the first time. Cook some pizzas, maybe cook some other stuff, but I'm definitely going to be doing some other cooks on it. So yeah, peace out, and I'll see you in the next episode.